Actually, I was thinking about it when I was driving back home late that night, I think 2 nights ago. I was thinking that maybe the reason why I didn't win that crown is because I wasn't really prepared enough. I was prepared on the national stage, but the whole question was I prepared internationally? And when I'm thinking about the preparations that we've done, how difficult it was, how intensive every day should be, from the wardrobe, from the gowns. I mean, we see it on social media how queens prepare, but it doesn't compare on you sitting there and being the one who has to do it all. So I'm glad that I have the people around me to support me. But I guess, yes, that's one lesson I learned. Maybe I'm not prepared, and maybe this time I'm prepared, and I feel prepared. So I'm very excited. But you just have to believe on what you are capable of. And if you learn to believe in yourself, it starts with that confidence from within. And if you truly, truly want something, then I guess the universe will make its way to go towards you. And by that time, you'll just be happy that, looking back, I'm here. So I guess that's it.
Thank you.